Hello everyone, welcome to our third topic, which is cost estimation. My name is Dr. Joshua Aura. I teach management accounting at RCM College, Mr. Price branch, next to National Archives. Now, cost estimation. What you're supposed to know for your exam purposes under cost estimation is the models. The various models, of which today I would want us to look at what we call the high-low method or model of cost estimation, where the examiner will give you these points. We have 10, 20, 15, 25. We have, for example, 30, 38. We have, for example, 5, 7. We have, for example, say for example here we have a 3, maybe 2, or 3 and 4, like that. So if you're given this kind of information, then the examiner tells you to come up with a high-low equation. High-low equation. What are we supposed to know about a high-low equation? Solution, our high-low equation looks like this. Y equals a plus bx. It's a straight line. And for straight lines, you only need 2 points for us to be able to define a straight line. 2 points. And according to high-low method, we should be able to get our 2 points as follows. Give us the lowest x value point. So lowest x value point here will be this one here. You can see x value. The very lowest here is 3. So you take it as a point of 3 and 4. So we have here 3 vis-a-vis 4. So this is x, this is y. And then they come and give us the highest x value point. Highest x value point, when you look at the x values, the very highest here is 30. So you're talking of 30 versus 30 what here? Versus 38. 30 versus 38. Now the moment you have this, next step, go to the equations. Next step, go to the equations. So come and form 2 equations. So remember, it is y equals a plus bx. So using the lowest, where is the y here? The y is here. So we have here y is 4 equals a plus b times 3 now. So 3b, bx, x is 3. And then we have now y here is 38, which equals a plus 3, or rather 30, b times 30, bx, b times x is the one that is 30. So we have here 30b. So from there, come and eliminate a through subtraction. These are simultaneous equations. So eliminate a. So we have 4 minus 38. That gives me minus 34, which will be equal to a. A subtracted disappears. 3 minus 30 gives me minus 27b. Meaning that b will be equal to minus 34 divided by minus 27. So we have here, minus of course will disappear. We have 34 divided by 27. Which gives us 1.26, which gives us 1.26 like that. Now the moment I get b, I should be able to get a from any of those equations. The first one, call it equation 1. So from equation 1, we have equation 1 reading 4 equals a plus 3b. And we happen to be knowing the value of b. Therefore 4 will be equal to a plus 3 times b, which is 1.26. So 4 will be equal to a plus 3 times 1.26, which gives us 3.78. Therefore a will be 4 minus 3.78. So 4 minus 3.78, which gives us 0.22. And now the moment I have got the values of a and b, I should be able to write the equation. My equation here will be y equals a plus bx. The moment I've gotten the values of a and b, those are my connectors. So I need to come and have those connectors down so that we will be able to have this equation y equals a, which is 0.22 plus b, which is 1.26, x like that. So now I have a very strong equation. Assuming that y was cost and x was the quantity produced. So I can now use this equation to estimate any cost for whatever volume. If, for example, you want to know, for example, when we produce, for example, say 35 units here, what will be our cost? I have a tool. I have an equation. My y should be equal to 0.22 plus 1.2x. X is 35. So then this one here will be 0.22 plus 1.26 times 35. 1.26 times 35. So I'll be able to predict my costs very well. Remember, the topic of the day is cost what year? Cost estimation, and that brings us to an end of our class today, which is high-low equation. Don't forget, for those of you who want to come for classes, get me at RCM Mr. Price branch, RCM Mr. Price branch, which is next to National Archives. Thank you.